Alright guys, I'm out here for a little quickie with the Mantis. I'm not doing a big flight. I just want to take it up for the first time for a couple of minutes just to check the video and just to fly it around for just a couple of minutes because I'm pretty damn sick, so I'm really not I'm not really even wanting to be here right now, to be honest with you, but I just want to take it up and check the video, that's all. So let's just start some video and take off. I just saw a bunch of buzzards over there a couple of minutes ago. Oh, there's something up there. Oh, there's three. Those aren't buzzards though. I saw some of the big ones lurking around. Sneakos. This is just in the regular mode. Seems to be okay. There they are over there. See? They're right over there. See if I can entice them over here a little bit. They're over there, believe me. They're right above that tree line right there. I seen them. There they are still, right there. They're big ones too, man. I mean, them are big. Let me
sport mode. Fly
put
with
it
caution.
Sport mode on there so I can get. Ooh, look at that pitch on there. Look at that. Okay, I mean, just wanted to make sure the sport mode didn't turn off the I just wanted to make sure the sport mode didn't stop the video. Said it doesn't, so. It's pretty windy. It's another reason I came to this park too, because it's these trees block. Oh, here they come right here. Here they are, the big bastards. They're coming for the Mantis. They're big too, man. Them things are 5 times the size of the Mantis. Okay, believe me. They'll come and scoop it up. It'd probably be pretty cool to get a video of that happening because then it would probably go viral. Here he comes right there. There he is. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. There's all kinds of bird activity going on over here. Maybe they're flying south for the winter. Who knows? Oh, look at that yaw speed on there. I'm losing my freaking bearings. That pitch is so severe on that thing in that sport mode. Man, they are just all over the place up there. Look at that. It's like a migration. There's another one of them big ones coming right over there. 2 of them. Right there. I'm telling you, they're coming for the Mantis. I'm telling you right now. Look at it, they're circling around me. See? They see it. Let me get the sport mode back on so I can escape. They're just waiting for me to come up there. That's all they're waiting for. To me to get up there a little higher. Bastards. I'm not letting them get the mantis. I haven't had any fun with this damn thing yet. That sport mode's really quick, guys. I can't wait to get it out there to the big field. Let me see if this gimbal... Okay, I've been going for 5 minutes and 40 seconds, and I still got 71% battery, so... And don't forget, I only charged this battery one time, so... Yeah, it kind of gives you a beep whenever you're level. There's a beep that'll go off whenever the camera's level. Okay, so we're trying to follow me. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't hit the start button. Okay, dummy. Hit the... Wait a minute. I gotta put myself back in the box. Now, if I change the altitude, will that still follow me? Yeah. Okay, so that'll still work. And then they have that other option on there, that watch me option, so I'm just watching out for the buzzards, to be honest with you. Okay, well, when I get out to the bigger park, I'll take it out for, I'll do the point of interest and that nonsense. What was the other one? Oh, the journey mode, yeah. I've never even used that journey mode on my Breeze, so... Like I said, I just wanted to check the, what the video quality is going to look like, so. Alright, work like a champ. That's good to me. Alright guys, there you go. It was a little quickie, but like I said, I feel like crap. I haven't missed 2 days of working. I think I got some kind of flu or something. I don't know. Ugh. Feel awful. I might not even work tomorrow, which would be really rare for me to miss 3 days, but you know, I'm old as shit, so that's what happens when you get old. Alright guys, have a nice day.